Hey guys, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. I usually do all kinds of products unboxing and reviews. So in case you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. So in today's video, I'll show you a humidifier. So in case you guys are looking for a humidifier for your room in this winter, then definitely this review will help you. So mostly humidifier usually we use to add humidity in our room in case the room feels dry. So this one is from Amazon and this one in pliable. The ultrasonic air humidifier. So let's see. This is the humidifier. So it's really simple. Just add water and it evaporates and water. So it's really simple. There's only one button and the capacity is 2.6 liters. So let's add some water and we'll check how it works. So currently I'm adding 1 liter, but you can add up to 2.6 liter of water maximum. So let's see how it works. We can see it's turn on and off. Here the blue light is turned on, you can see. So now it's working. It's turned on and off. We can adjust the moisture by adjusting this one. Yeah, in winter when you are feeling dry in your room by when you are using your heater and you are feeling dry, definitely humidifier will help you to add moisture in your air and it will help you. Yeah, it's cold. It's not that bad. In winter, if your skins are getting dry and you are getting dry eyes, then you can add a humidifier to your room and that will add moisture to your air and it will help you for dry skin and dry air. I have the problem of dry skin because my skin is really dry. My eyes are also really dry. So it will help me for this problem. So yeah, this one is also works fine and I'll add it in my bedroom. So I just put it in my bedroom corner, so it will help me while sleeping because in the sleep time I feel my skins are getting dry because of this winter. So I think it will help me for my dry skin and my dry eyes. Yeah, it's adding enough mist. So it's the bigger version of this regular mist, I think. Yeah. When I turn off the bottle, it stopped immediately, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, it's a really simple to use. So yeah, I really like it. I have other humidifiers, but that are like really complicated, but this one I really like because it's really simple to use. You don't have to do anything. Others I have like a front portion or something different and looks very complicated, but this one is like really simple. You don't have to do anything, just add water and the vapor start immediately. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.